My name is Georg Gerl. I have a hotel here since 20 years in Salzburg, Austria. We renovated our place the last 20 years from a bed and breakfast to a four-star hotel. It was a big challenge to introduce then the new things which we wanted to do in this area. Building a special place, connecting the traditional sites of Austria to also modern styles like seen in the South Asian area, which we have many inspirations, getting many inspirations from our holidays. So it was a very important thing to getting the mood of some holiday places, also to here, to the mountains area. We tried to do it in every special parts like lamps, doors, and also places to have a sit and relax. And so it was a very special close-up to the doors, using these pivot doors, to having an entrance to an area which we want the people like having a small oasis, like is now in the rooftop area in the View Club, which is a special concept of a spa area, used in the summertime more as a beach club orientated spa, in the wintertime like a normal spa. And for us it was very important to have this entrance, this door, to being a remindable, interesting thing to open it. And everybody wants to know what is behind the door, and it's more impressive a door is, the more you want to have a look behind. So this is what we European people can learn a little bit of different cultures, that the door is more than getting inside. It's depending on style, it's depending on size, on how to use it, and makes it interesting to have a look behind.